Key point from Scott Peck's view on love. Love is a choice, not just an emotion. Love requires effort and discipline. Love is about growth. Love involves responsibility and courage. Love is not just a dependency. And the bottom line, love is not what you feel. It's what you do. It's showing up, choosing growth, making sacrifices, staying honest, and always nurturing life in yourself and others. You know what I think? What the world needs now? More than politics, more than money, more than power. It's love. But not the kind we see in movies. Not just a romantic kind, or the love that's easy and when everything's going well. I mean, real love, the kind that shows up when it's hard, the kind that listens and forgives, that gives without keeping score. We've forgotten what love really is somewhere along the way. We traded it for convenience, for comfort, or for control. But love, or true love, it's not about comfort. It's about commitment. It's about choosing to care when you could walk away. Choosing to forgive when you could hold a grudge. Choosing to act when it's easier to scroll past and do nothing. Love isn't always feel good. Sometimes it means standing up. Sometimes it means staying quiet. Sometimes it just means showing up for your family, for your neighbor, even for someone who might never thank you. Because love isn't just about the people who love you back. It's about how you treat the people who can't repay you, who challenge you, who are different from you, who look around and we see a world that is hurting. So much anger, so much noise, so much fear. But here's the truth. You can't fight hate with hate. You can fix brokenness with blame. Only love can rebuild what's been lost. Do you want a better world? Start where you are. Love someone. Listen longer. Forgive quicker. Choose grace over judgment. Compassion over ego. It won't always be easy, but it will always be worth it. The world doesn't need more opinion. It needs more love. Real, honest, selfless love. And the good news, that will start with us. Right here and right now. Let's build something better. Not with force, but with love. Are you in?